What if the reason you can't sleep has nothing to do with stress, your phone, or your mattress, but is actually a deficiency inside your body that over 70% of adults have right now and don't even know about? Scientists have been studying this mineral for decades. It controls over 300 biological functions in your body. And when you don't have enough of it, your sleep, your mood, your stress levels, and your energy all suffer. Today we're revealing exactly what it is, why most people are running low, and how to fix it starting tonight. Welcome back to Vital Rest, where we break down sleep and wellness science into simple facts you can actually use. In today's video, we're covering the single most underrated mineral for sleep and stress, what it does inside your body, the signs you're not getting enough, the best food sources, and whether supplementing actually works. If you've tried everything for better sleep and nothing has worked, this video might finally give you the answer you've been looking for. Let's get into it. The mineral we're talking about is magnesium. Magnesium is the fourth most abundant mineral in the human body. It's involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions, meaning your body uses it to carry out hundreds of essential processes every single day. Energy production, protein synthesis, blood sugar regulation, nerve function, muscle relaxation, and critically, sleep. Yet despite how essential it is, studies consistently show that between 50 and 80% of adults in the modern world are not getting enough magnesium. In many African countries including Nigeria, magnesium deficiency is even more widespread due to soil depletion and dietary patterns. And here's the thing, you can be deficient in magnesium for years without a doctor ever catching it, because standard blood tests often miss low magnesium levels entirely. So how exactly does magnesium affect your sleep? There are three main mechanisms. First, magnesium activates your parasympathetic nervous system. This is your rest and digest system, the opposite of fight or flight. Magnesium helps your body physically calm down at the end of the day. Without enough of it, your nervous system stays in a low-level alert state, making it much harder to wind down and fall asleep. Second, magnesium regulates melatonin. Remember from our cortisol video, melatonin is the hormone that signals to your brain that it's time to sleep. Magnesium plays a direct role in regulating melatonin production. Low magnesium means disrupted melatonin, which means disrupted sleep timing. Third, magnesium binds to GABA receptors in your brain. GABA is a neurotransmitter that quiets down brain activity and promotes relaxation. Think of it as your brain's natural off switch. Magnesium helps activate GABA, which is actually the same receptor that sleeping pills target. The difference is magnesium does it naturally, without dependency or side effects. Here are the most common signs that your magnesium levels are too low. Difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep. Waking up feeling unrefreshed even after a full night. Muscle cramps or twitches, especially at night. Restless legs when you're trying to sleep. Frequent headaches or migraines. Feeling anxious or irritable for no clear reason. Low energy and fatigue throughout the day. And constipation or digestive discomfort. Now here's what makes magnesium deficiency so easy to miss. Most of these symptoms are things people just accept as normal. They blame stress, age, or a busy lifestyle. They never consider that their body might simply be running low on a mineral it desperately needs. There are several reasons magnesium deficiency has become so widespread in modern life. Soil depletion. Modern farming practices have stripped significant amounts of magnesium from agricultural soil over the past 50 years. This means even when you eat vegetables, they contain far less magnesium than they did a generation ago. Processed food. Magnesium is found in whole foods, nuts, seeds, leafy greens, whole grains. When food is processed and refined, most of the magnesium is stripped out. A diet high in processed food is almost guaranteed to be low in magnesium. Caffeine and alcohol. Both caffeine and alcohol increase magnesium excretion through urine. The more coffee and alcohol you consume, the more magnesium your body loses. Chronic stress. This one creates a vicious cycle. Stress depletes magnesium, and low magnesium makes you more sensitive to stress. If you are chronically stressed, your body is burning through magnesium at an accelerated rate. The best way to raise your magnesium levels is through food first. Here are the richest natural sources. Dark leafy greens, especially spinach and chard, are among the highest sources of magnesium available. A single cup of cooked spinach provides around 40% of your daily magnesium needs. Pumpkin seeds are one of the most magnesium-dense foods on the planet. Just a small handful gives you over 30% of your daily requirement. Dark chocolate, yes really, is surprisingly rich in magnesium. A 30-gram piece of high-quality dark chocolate provides around 15% of your daily needs. Black beans, lentils and legumes are excellent plant-based sources and are widely available and affordable across Nigeria and West Africa. Avocados, bananas and whole grains like brown rice and oats also contribute meaningful amounts of magnesium to your daily intake. Now the question most people have, should you take a magnesium supplement? The honest answer is, for many people, yes, it can make a meaningful difference to sleep quality. But the type of magnesium matters enormously. Magnesium glycinate is the best form for sleep and stress. It is highly absorbed and has a calming effect on the nervous system. This is the one to look for. Magnesium citrate is good for general supplementation and is widely available. Effective but slightly more laxative in effect at higher doses. Magnesium oxide is the cheapest and most common form you'll find in pharmacies, but it has very poor absorption. Avoid this one if sleep is your goal. The general recommended dose for sleep is between 200 and 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate, taken 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Always start at the lower end and increase gradually. One important note. If you have kidney disease or are on any medication, speak with a doctor before starting So let's bring it together. Magnesium is one of the most essential minerals in your body. Over 70% of adults are deficient in it, and that deficiency could be the hidden reason behind your poor sleep, your stress sensitivity, and your low energy. Start by adding more magnesium-rich foods to your diet: spinach, pumpkin seeds, dark chocolate, beans. And if you want faster results, magnesium glycinate before bed is one of the most evidence-backed, natural sleep interventions available. If this video opened your eyes, please hit the like button and share it with someone who struggles with sleep. And subscribe to Vital Rest for weekly wellness science that actually makes a difference. In our next video, we're covering what happens to your body after just one bad night of sleep, and some of the effects will genuinely shock you. See you there.